I'm going to show you exactly how to make 6 figures, then dumping $1,000 and then dumping it. I make $50,000 every single month at 18 years old, all by launching my own coins on launchnow.fun and then dumping it to make a shit ton of money, obviously for educational purposes only. So please subscribe, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same for yourself, all for free. I have no course, and yeah bro, let's go. Now, today I will be going over something that a bunch of y'all have been asking me on Telegram, on Discord, and is that, should I start trading meme coins or creating them? Now, personally, I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I think you should start launching them because, first of all, you have nothing to lose, it's free money and it's easy. But if you trade meme coins, you're basically making the creator of these coins rich. There's stress on your back and it's not stable income, right? But if you create your own coins, it's stable income. You just launch and then dump, or you launch and clip profits. Now, I've personally made thousands of dollars on a bunch of coins, as you can see here. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah. Now, you don't need to obviously rug pull. It's really bad, unethical. Only bad people do that, right? But if you want, you can clip profits while it's going up, okay? Now, for example, this coin right here, let's say it's going up. Well, you could sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here, and you're making money. You don't need to sell all the 100% at one time and make a shit ton of money. You can, but it's bad. Do not do it. But anyways, now it's time for the fun part. How do you create your own coin? Now, I like to use launchnow.fun because here it is where you will be able to make your own coin, launch it, dump it, and rinse and repeat. Okay, it's the fastest website to make your own coins on the Solana blockchain. Okay, it's the only legit website. Stop getting scammed by these other Radium sites. This is the only one that works on Radium. Okay, now let me do a quick walk through for you guys. Okay, so I have launched your own coin fast right here, no coding required. Here on the first tab, create coin right here, is where you can make your own coin manually. So token name, token symbol, token image, you know, the steps are really simple. Next, token description, boom, random shit, and then you would click on create token right here. Yeah, that's it. FAQ, how to use a token creator, and yeah, manage liquidity is where you will be able to launch, add and remove liquidity. And the third tab right here is actually the favorite one for most people, because here you can steal narratives and coins and just copy them and then duplicate them back on the Radium Dex and making way more money. All these coins are all filtered out for you guys to copy them and then make some money, because all these coins are all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, and you're listing them back up on the Radium Dex and making way more money because yeah, exactly, you're just making way more money by doing this. Okay, now the reason why launchnow.fun is way better than Pump.Fun is because launchnow.fun launchnow.fun puts all the coins on the Radium Dex, right? So for example, Pump.Fun, when you launch a coin on Pump.Fun, your coin has to reach 100% migration time or bonding curve progress or whatever for it to go on the Radium Dex, right? But by launching your own coins on launchnow.fun directly, you're skipping that bonding curve progress time and you're reaching a way more eyeballs and you're making way more money. So if you want to see me launch a coin and then dump it and make a shit ton of money, please subscribe, like, it would help a lot the channel, and comment your Solana address and I'll maybe send you some money. So yeah.